Hi everyone guys, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In this video I will give you the clear info regarding the comments in Python programming. Okay, so before going to explain about the real lifetime example using the comments, let me move on to the concept here. Okay, see here which is displayed on the screen. We will discuss what are the uses of comment lines and different types of comment lines and syntax for those in Python programming and all. Okay, let me start with uses of comments in Python programming. Yeah, comments are used for the readability purpose, and these comments are placed by the programmer inside the program to explain the code. Okay, to explain the code, here programmer will place the comments inside the program, guys. And also, interpreter in Python will not execute the comment lines in program. Okay, so these comment lines will be skipped by the interpreter while executing the code. So the main aim of the comment lines is to explain the code which is kept by the programmer in the program. Okay, so this is about the comments, guys. Yeah, coming into the types of comment lines, there are two different types of comment lines. One is single line comment line and another one is multi-line comment lines. Based on our requirement, we are going to use either single line or multi-line comment lines in our programming. But coming into the syntax here, so if you want to use single line comment lines in our program, here we need to place hash symbol before the instruction here, just like before single line. Here we need to place hash symbol. And if you want to use the multi-line comment lines in our programming, here we need to place like this. That means here we need to keep three double quotes at the starting of the comment line, and at the ending of the comment line also we need to keep three double quotes. Okay, this is how we need to place comment lines in our programming. Okay, hope that you have got clear idea regarding the comment lines. Let me move on to the real lifetime example using the comment lines. Okay, so here I am deleting this. Yeah, here my requirement. So based on our requirement only, we are going to build the logic here for every program. Yeah, my requirement is to display your favorite programming language on the output screen. Okay, for that we need to write the program, guys, in Python. Favorite programming language on output screen. For this we need to write the program, guys. So here we are going to write in Python. Okay, let me keep this in comment lines so that the interpreter will not execute this line, otherwise it will raise an error. So this is a single line comment, so here I am keeping hash symbol. Otherwise, if you want to use multi-line comment lines, here we need to keep three double quotes. Here you can place program name to display favorite programming language. Okay, so and here you can keep date and time, and after that here you can keep programmer name. So mainly the comment lines are used to explain about the code. Okay, so at the end of the comment lines, here you need to keep three double quotes. Okay, this is how we are placing in comment lines in our programming. Okay, so let me fulfill our requirement by writing the Python code here. So for output we have print function here. So in print function we need to print our favorite programming language. Here my favorite programming language is Python programming language. So here I am keeping the Python programming language inside the printf function. So it will be displayed on the output screen. Okay, so let me run this program so that output will be displayed here. Okay, so yeah, we have got our result Python programming language as the output. Here we have used single line comment lines and multi-line comment lines in our programming, and the interpreter will not execute these comment lines and will execute only this print function and given the result. In multi-line comment lines, here you can also use hash symbols instead of these double quotes. Okay, so for that here you need to give hash symbol for every line. Okay, so hash, and in the last line also hash. Okay, remove these double quotes. Okay, I am running the program here, executing the program. Let me see. Yeah, our output is Python programming language. Instead of three double quotes, you can also use hash symbol for every line. Okay, this is how we are going to use comments in our Python programming. Hope that you have got clear idea. For further Python tutorials, please follow my channel. I will explain you clearly, precisely, in very easy way. Okay, so thank you guys.